Hey everybody, it's Tom
I'm T.
from Show Me Coasters, and this week Kings Island released a bombshell with the opening of their haunt.
Yeah, they put one of the sign where the old rides was, and on one of the sign it said, "The air is eerily calm as we make final preparations for the ill-fated demise of one of our own, R.I.P. 10/28/2018." So what we get from that is that they're gonna tear down one of the old ride at the park to make room for this new ride. Our conclusion came, I'm sure you've probably seen other video, is that especially with Dinosaurs Alive closed last year and a new big ride is gonna close this year, our thought is that it's gonna be Firehawk. What's your thought, Tom?
Yeah, I agree. I think it's going to be Firehawk. There was a lot of rumor flying around about them RMCing or doing an RMC Son of Beast, but with what we've seen, they've put out the application for the construction, and it's going to be a B&M.
It's going to be made by Bolliger and Mabillard. So, it broke our heart on both front. My thought is I wanted something like West Coast Racer to finally come to see the fair chain, but it's going to be made by B&M. So, and you wanted the Son of Beast?
Yeah, I wanted the RMC Son of Beast. But I'm always for an RMC anywhere, whether it's a conversion or a ground up.
I was hoping they would go different direction, but it looks like Kings Island's going to round out their park. This park has been missing a Giga. You know, all their sister parks, the four big ones, have Gigas except this one. So I guess I'm happy with it too. But who knows? They could surprise us, and B&M could go a different route and make a racing coaster or a wooden coaster, which is not their specialty. But all fingers point, it's going to be a Giga, folks.
Yeah, I think it's going to, I agree. It's going to be a B&M Giga, and it's going to be over there where
the Dinosaurs Alive,
and that Firehawk sits over there on the other side of the racer.
It's going to be probably over a mile long, like most Gigas, so they need room to expand for a proper Giga to be, be a good Giga. So that is my thought.
Yeah, and if it is going to be a Giga, is it going to be a world record Giga?
It probably could be. Look, I mean, they broke their own record with was it Yukon Striker?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I mean, I'm sure they're gonna probably. They like to break records. That's what Cedar Fair is known for. So, my bet is it's gonna probably surpass Fury 325 in Carowinds. What's your thought, Tom?
Yeah, I would think so too. But, much more than 325, 345, and you're starting to get towards Strata.
No.
A Strata class.
Strata goes to be too. Never say never. So, our thought is that let's see how much hype Kings Island's going to continue. Like, for example, Steel Vengeance, the media hype and the YouTuber hype was for like 2 years. If it's gonna be something else, they'll keep teasing the public with with different teasers and stuff. So as for now, since we haven't received anything new besides the sign at the cemetery and the release of the permit applied by Kings Island and the city of Mason in Warren County, Ohio, it is a Giga, in my opinion. So, but we're just gonna keep a close ears and eyes on what teasers Kings Island will send out in the future.
So that's gonna do it for today. I'm Tom.
I'm T.
And we're your Show Me Coasters. We hope you enjoy the video. Give us some likes and subscribes. Comments are always welcome as well. And if you really like it, share the video. Have a great day.
Thank you.